Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you can remove the Dropbox files from your PC or your Dropbox file which is in your cloud. So open the Dropbox which is on your start menu, go to its settings, you can click on Show in File Explorer, and you can simply delete this file from here. If you simply go and delete this folder, it will be deleted and an exclamation will come if you want to delete this folder everywhere. You can read this, and if you want to delete everywhere, click on delete everywhere and then this folder will be deleted. Click on delete everywhere and this file is deleted from your cloud and PC. Now go to web, click on this icon, and then you can see that folder has been deleted. Now you can go to the settings, delete it from here too. So just go to your account, just go to settings and go to security. If you scroll down, you can see that this device has been logged in. You can simply click on this device and all of your folders will be deleted and unlinked. Your account will be unlinked from this PC. That means it will not open in File Explorer and it will only open from the web browser. Now go to all files and let me show you how you can delete folders from here. Click on the folder and go to the folder. Click on these three icons and you can delete folders this way. After you click on delete, you can press delete again and you can see that the file has been deleted. Now go to deleted files and you can see there are two files. You can either restore it or you can delete it. Tap on it and if you restore, all your files will be restored, or if you click delete permanently, these folders which you just deleted will be deleted permanently. So as I clicked delete permanently, this folder has been deleted from my web and my File Explorer. And if I restore it and click on restore all the files, it will take some time to restore the files which I deleted and you can get back these files. So this was a video on how you can remove Dropbox files. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.